We are on our way to detail a G-Wagon. Okay chaps, we've just arrived at the location. Now we're just waiting for the customer to bring his G-Wagon. So once he comes, I'm going to be instructing him to park the car here. We've got a nice open space to wash the car. So he should be coming from that direction. Okay chaps, he's coming now. Oh, it's quite nasty. Do you have PPF?
Yes.
Most of this will come off because the PPF, I think, has protected the paintwork.
Yeah.
I'll try my best. Yeah, I'll try my best. Okay, thank you, man. Let's now assess the full condition of this beast. It has definitely seen better days, so let's get this detail started with the wheels, tires and arches. Time for the Tino Blue Snow Foam. This blue snow foam looks crazy. Get yourself a bottle from tinocarcare.com. So we have removed the heavier particles of dirt, which means we can now hand wash the G-Wagon. A quick shot of water will keep things from drying. With all of the shampoo gone, we can now dry the car.
You got a card?
Yes, I'll bring you one now. Hey, what's up?
Thank you.
We charge £70 for a large car and 60 for a smaller car for
Okay.
inside and outside cleaning.
That sounds a lot.
Yeah, we charge a bit more because we do a really good job.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
How much does it charge?
70 for big, 60 for small. All right. Well, thanks for the card.
No problem. As I always say, chaps, your price may not be for everyone, but once someone gives you a chance, you need to prove that it's worth every penny with a perfect job. As always, we only use the most high-grade products, which deliver the best results. You can buy these products yourself at tinocarcare.com. Let's now clean the interior. With the carpets out of the way, we move on and deep clean the upholstery. Now we have got the final touches. These parts often get missed, but will make a massive difference. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Nice to meet you, man. How's it going? Oh, okay. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, it looks like you do a really good job.
Well, the thing is, I was really impressed with the ceramic coat that you spray on the car.
Yeah.
I saw that it's like a different...
Yeah, it really does, and it helps keep the car cleaner for a lot longer, gives it a lot of protection, beading.
What about for extra shine?
So we actually, as a matter of fact, we use this product on the G Wagon, so as you can see, it's shining like crazy.
I usually use Maguire's or Autoglim.
Yeah, there are some products out there, but what I've seen from the market, a lot of them, they leave streaks and they're quite difficult to use. This one, you spray it on your wiper and it doesn't leave anything. So that's like the beauty of using this product. Honestly chaps, it's an honor when I get to meet you guys in public. If you ever see me, feel free to say hi. Here are your results. Enjoy. See you in the next one, chaps.